Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Matre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Pravin Padil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Subject name is Computer Networking and Data Communication 2634. Practical number 5 of C&D subject. The aim of the practical number 5 is configure point-to-point network in laboratory. The practical significance is in telecommunication. A point-to-point connection refers to a communication connection between the two communication endpoints or nodes. An example telephone call in which one telephone is connected with another and what is said by the one caller can only be heard by the other. So this is contracted with a point-to-point or multi-point or broadcast connection. So in which many nodes can receive the information transmitted by the one node. So other example of the point-to-point communication is links are leased lines, microwave radio relay and two-way radio. So point-to-point protocol is useful in WAN. So PPP is configured with its options like quality and load balancing on numerous links. So point-to-point protocol also configured in authentication and concluded with the verification of troubleshooting of the point-to-point protocol. So the relevant program outcomes are discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, and individual and teamwork. The competency and the practical skills is able to configure and test the point-to-point connectivity in the network. So the relevant course outcomes are maintain wired computer network topology and use the relevant network model for the specified data communication system. So the minimum theoretical background of the point-to-point is computer networking, and the computer architecture refers to wire or any other connection that links only two computers or the circuits as it is. So the point-to-point network. So in a point-to-point network, there exists a many connection between the individual pairs of machines. So to go from the source to the destination, a packet on these types of the network may have to go through the intermediate computers before they reach to the desired computers. So as a general rule, small networks which are localized in a geographical sense tends to the use of broadcasting. So whereas the networks located in the wide geographical area use point-to-point transmission. So in the point-to-point networks, packets can take a multiple routes to reach the same destination. So here is the diagram of the point-to-point network. So we will use the Cisco packet to construct the point-to-point network. So for this, first we want a network device, that is switch. Now we want a personal device or the endpoint. So I am taking the two pieces over here, and these pieces are connected with the wire. So here the two pieces, that is PC number 0 and PC number 1, is connected with the switch. So now I have to apply the IP address to each PC. So click on the PC, then go to the desktop menu, select the IP address, give the static IP address, that is 192.168.1.1. Subnet as is default. Set the default gateway, that is 192.168.2.1. Close the window. Send the so here you see the IP address for the PC number 0 is 1.1. So now give the IP address 192.168.1.2. So now set the one default gateway, that is 192.168.2.1. Close the window. Here the IP address is set. Then we have to check the point-to-point connection. For the point-to-point connection, we need a switch. So via the switch, the data is transferred to the PC number 0 to the PC number 1. So here the IP address for the both PCs are given. That is PC0, the IP address is 192.168.1.1, and the IP address for the PC number 1 is 192.168.1.2. So now we have to check the configuration, that is packet these are connected with each other or not. For this we will click on the PC, then we will click on the command prompt, then write a ping and the IP address of the another PC, that is 192.168.1.2. When we got the reply from that IP address, that means the both PCs are connected with each other. So here the 192.1.1 is requesting 4 times and it got the reply from the 192.168.1.2. So 4 packets are sent and 4 packets are received. Then we will check for the PC number 1. Go to the command prompt, ping, write the IP address of the another PC 1.1. So we will got the reply from the another PC to the PC number 2. That means the 4 packets were sent and 4 packets received. There is a no packet lost and they are connected with each other. Also we can check from the PDU. So we will send the packets from the PC number 0 to PC number 1. So here we got the message that is successful. That means the source number PC number is PC0 and destination PC number is 1. So we will see in the simulation how the packet will transfer to PC number 0 to PC number 1. So here the packet transferred from the PC number 0 to switch, then switch transfer the packet to the PC number 1. And also PC number 1 packet reply to the PC number 0. So this is the way to configure and connect the point-to-point network. So here we successfully transferred the packet from PC number 0 to PC number 1. So here the practical number 5 is completed. Thank you.